Everybody, welcome in my home. So today I'm just going to be doing some revision quickly. Do you remember last week we did the quarter notes? So the quarter notes are those notes that are colored in. They're colored in and they're short and they count one each. So 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, but when we have 2, 4 in a bar, we're going to count 1, 2, 1, 2, as long as the note value is 1 count and not 5 counts. Okay? All right. So the first one that we're going to do, I've put it up on the screen. You can see it's 2/4 timing, which means we're going to count 2 in each bar. And it's going to go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And so we carry on. And the notes are D, G, D, A, D, A, D, G. Now remember, when we play quarter notes, we play them short, okay? So I'm going to play this with you, and I'm going to say the note names as we do this. And the second time, I'm going to play it, and we'll count, okay? So let's start with the first one. It's 1, 2. D, G, D, A, D, A, D, G. That's right. Okay. So now I'm going to count it with you. Ready? 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. There we go. Okay. The next one is number 2. And it goes like this. Are you ready? 1, 2. 1, A, D, G, D, A, D. Again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now normally when you get a little semicolon there, it means repeat, but we already repeated. Okay, so the next one is number 3, and it goes like this. And go. A, E, A, D, A, E, E, A. Right, and counting. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And make sure you follow the right bowing. Down, up, down, up. And if it shows you the bowing and it stops showing you the bowing, it's the one you haven't done, so it's the next one. So if you did it down, then your next one will be up. And it just flows like that. So if the last one was an up, you know the next one will be a down. Okay. All right. So we're going to do a little song now. And this song is called Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. You all know the song. And I am going to be playing eventually the teacher part, and you will be playing the pupil part. But for now, we are going to be playing the pupil part together. But there's a couple of things we need to look at before we can play the piece. Okay, and this is where you start learning how to read the music, right? So we've got the music staves, the music lines, the song. And by the end of the first line, you've got a single line, which means it's not finished. You can carry on. And then you go to the second line, and you've got a double line at the end. Normally, when you get a double line, it means the song is finished. But this one is not finished because we have some instructions. There are some words written in there. It says da capo. Now, da capo means you're going to go back to the beginning. All right? So it's sending you back to the first line. So when you've played the first line and you've played the second line, you go back to the first line and you play the first line again. And then at the end of the first line, it says fine, which means that's where you end. Fine, it means final, it means finished, it means end. Okay, so we have 3 lines to play here. But before we can play it, there's another thing I need to let you know. Do you see that funny little lightning bolt? That thing is a rest. It's a silent note. So we don't play the note, but we count it. So it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever it might be. Okay, so when we're playing a song and we have a rest in the middle, quarter note rest, it's going to go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you get the idea? It's a silent note. We don't play it. So when we play this piece, when we get there, we count it, but we don't play it. All right? I'm going to play the piece with you. It's down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, pretty much all of the way. But when you get to the rest, you're going to go down, pick up your bow, put it down so that you can go down again, because the next line starts on the down bow. So you've got to be ready for that. So the last 4 bars here is going to go down, up, pick up, down, up. You get the idea. Okay, so let's play it together. It's 2 timing, or 2 counts, 2 quarters in a bar. So let's go for it. Okay, and 1, 2. G, 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 D, 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 A, D, G. Rest, next line. G, G, A, D, G, D, 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 G, D, A, D, G, D, D. Next line, pick up and G, 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 G. This is where you start again. G, G, D, 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 A, D, G. Rest. Okay, let's do it counting now, right? And 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Rest. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Rest at the beginning. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Sorry, my bow is slipping out of my hand. I've got cream on it. Don't ever put cream on your hand when you're doing violin, okay? All right. Let's do it together. I'm going to play the other part while I tell you what notes it is. Let's hope I don't get confused, okay? Are you ready? And 1, 2. G, 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 D, 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 A, D, G. Rest. G, D, A, D, G, D, 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 G, G, A, D, G, D, D, G, 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 D, 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 A, D, G. Rest. Okay, let's do it counting. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Sorry, we count 2, so we start with a 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, very good. That was the end of the first lesson. Thank you very much for joining me. I'll see you soon. Bye.